Hi, this is Rob. Today we're going to review the COSCO 2-in-1 folding handcart. Not to be mistaken with Costco wholesale, this is COSCO without the T. I do use this when I do my own events such as Artist Alley and pop-ups, but also when I'm hired to manage other people's events. It's real easy to open and it is a 2-in-1. If you look at this switch right here, you just fold it and then it turns into a stand-up dolly. And then if you fold it again, it turns into a flatbed. Be careful when you're closing it because I did clip my fingers on the wheels when I first got this. What I like about this handcart is the size is small and compact. I do have a small car which makes it a lot easier to travel with, and it's easy to store away when I'm at an event. It's also not too heavy, it's only at 15.2 pounds, which makes it easy to carry around. I do use it as a flatbed most of the time. It can handle up to 300 pounds. Once in a while, I will use it as a stand-up dolly, but make sure you use a bungee cord because if you don't, your boxes might tip over and fall off. I also like that it's small and I can roll it right underneath my table. I put my cash drawer right on top of it and use it like a cash register. The one you're seeing in this video I've had for 10 years, and this is the most issue I ever had, is the wheel gets stuck once in a while, but you could just pop it out like that. I do highly recommend this handcart. It is compact size, has a lot of uses, is super durable, 300 pounds capacity. The only thing is you cannot use it for rough terrain. If you do want to go over rough terrain like dirt, gravel, uneven ground, I did do a review on the Wagon that I also use for events whenever I'm carrying a lot of other things with me. The handcart is great for bigger heavy things. The Wagon is great for smaller things. If you want to see that review, I'll leave a link right up here. I left the Amazon link in the description below for both the Dolly and the Wagon. If you want more tips and tricks on how to navigate the event world as a vendor, exhibitor in Artist Alley, pop-ups, farmers market, I've been at this game since 2010. Please subscribe and like, and I'll see you again. Thank you.